Tagbilaran City was embraced by a spirit deeply woven into its history and faith. Proudly known as the city where the first treaty between Filipinos and Spaniards was forged, it resounds with unwavering pride. Saulog! This feature is in partnership with the local government unit of Tagbilaran City. The vibrant streets of Tagbilaran City came alive as the Saulog Tagbilaran 2026 burst into celebration. 15 gracious barangay contingents wove a powerful procession of identity, creativity, and reverence through the city's bustling thoroughfares. With each resounding drumbeat, the city's pulse grew louder.
Saulog Tagbilaran's concept is to really boost the different identities and cultures of our 15 barangays. And with that, we are contributing to the Tagbilaranon hospitality of how we present, we dance, and we're also contributing to the economy of the province of Bohol.
With every choreographed step, faith in the city's patron saint, Señor San Jose, is beautifully exalted. Radiant costumes, synchronized performances, and boundless energy turned every thoroughfares into a grand stage, where movement became both tribute and storytelling. Meanwhile, the festivities reached its grand crescendo at the CPG Sports Complex, where the elevated artistry reached breathtaking heights. One by one, contingents delivered powerful performances layered with the symbolism, precision, and heart, each bringing this year's theme, One Family, One City.
This year, Saulog Tagbilaran, One Family, One City, highlights the unity of Tagbilaranon. Especially this year, nag-celebrate ta sa ito ang 60th anniversary, founding anniversary as a city.
As the final strains of performance settled, Barangay Poblacion 3 reclaimed the championship, staging a strong comeback after missing the podium last year. Meanwhile, Barangay Tip-Tip earned widespread acclaim for their standout street dancing performance, clinching the title in that category. Yet, beyond the spectacle, Saulog Tagbilaran's rhythm echoes deeper into the heart of the locality's heritage. The celebration's journey finds profound meaning within the halls of the National Museum of the Philippines, Bohol, where the city's storied past continues to live. Inside, galleries preserve Bohol's soul from the masterworks of national artist Napoleon Abueva to tributes to Carlos P. Garcia, the resilience following the 2013 earthquake, archaeological treasures, and the island's rich biodiversity. In Saulog Tagbilaran 2026, celebration and history moved as one. From the vibrant streets to sacred devotion to Señor San Jose, from world-class performances to preserved legacies, the festival proved that Tagbilaran City's identity is never static. It is danced, honored, remembered, and renewed.
Of course, we always want Saulog to be global, but we still want to keep it local in a sense that when you're here, you will not feel like a foreign, but you will feel like a true Tagbilaranon, a true Boholano. So, a Boholano hospitality.